What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We are in one of the bathrooms in our house where we have a loose Moen hand towel holder, or a towel ring, as some people like to call them. Let me show you what I mean. That should not be happening. We're going to show you how to fix this. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is locate that little hole right on the bottom of our hardware, right there. There is a little hex nut in there that we are going to try to tighten with a 2mm Allen wrench. So go ahead and grab that 2mm Allen wrench. You're just gonna put this, and I use the short side right here, just put this in that hole and twist to the right as much as you can until it's tight. Now, after tightening it, if you're lucky, this will not move anymore. My problem is that it's still moving, so I have another issue going on. Now, unfortunately, we have to loosen that hex nut enough so that we're allowed to take the hardware off of the wall. You don't want the hex nut to come out of the product, so just gently loosen it. Keep using your Allen wrench and twisting to the left so that the hex nut provides enough space so that you can remove the product from the wall. After you've made a few twists with your Allen wrench, just gently check to see if it's ready to come off. Mine is not there yet. It feels pretty close, but you'll know. They simply just slide off. Let's see if we've gotten there yet. There we go. It simply comes right off. And you'll see we are left with a mounting bracket. And as you can see, mine is loose. So this is another culprit here of the wobble. So we're just gonna tighten this up. Just make sure it's level, going straight up and down. You could use a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead, it doesn't matter, but it looks like I need to tighten both of these screws on here. So once you've gotten your mounting bracket level and tightened, we're just gonna grab our towel ring or our hand towel holder and slip this right over top, like that. And then grab that 2mm Allen wrench and tighten that hex nut. And just go until you can no longer tighten it anymore to the right. All right, it won't twist anymore. So let's see. Yep, no more movement at all. Thanks for watching, everybody.